Hello everybody, and welcome to the Hit Parade Gold Signatures football card box break. Let's get into it. With 4 spots, we have Lucky. With 3 spots, we have D. Blake. With 6 spots, we have Joseph. With 12 spots, we have Rough Rider. With 6 spots, we have Princess Tool. And with 1 spot, we have BDN. Let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. Alright, we'll be randomizing our list 5 times. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have Rough Rider, and at the bottom we have BND. Let's copy our list. Here's our new list. We have Rough Rider with the Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Bears. Princess with Bengals. Joseph with the Browns. Rough Rider with the Cowboys. D. Blake with the Broncos. Princess with the Lions. Packers and Texans. Lucky with the Colts and Jaguars. Princess with the Chiefs. Rough Rider with the Rams and Chargers. Lucky with the Dolphins. Joseph with the Vikings, Patriots, and Saints. Lucky with the Giants. D. Blake with the Jets and Raiders. Joseph with the Eagles. Rough Rider with the Steelers, 49ers, Seahawks, and Buccaneers. Joseph with the Titans, and BDN with the Redskins. Alright, let's open up this box. Alright, 23 out of 100. Sealed on all sides. Alright. Let's open up the plastic. Alright, and now open up the seal. There we go. Let's see what we got. Oh, wait. Guess it's this way. Alright. Let's see it. Oh, wow. I think I already know who this is. Quarterback for the Panthers, number 1, Cam Newton. That is Cam Newton. Former MVP. It's on a really nice card. Here, let's just take it out of the plastic thing to avoid some of the glare. It's an amazing card, wow. From Panini Flawless, 18 out of 25. So a very limited edition card. Wow, that's a really nice card. This came out of one of Panini's higher end sets, which definitely increases the value for sure. Cam Newton. Alright, Let's see who has the Carolina Panthers. It is Rough Rider 2012. Congratulations, you win a Cam Newton autograph card. Post another if you guys want to check that out. I also have the full-sized NFL football helmet and the full-sized NCAA college helmet. Also with the NFL full-sized football and the TriStar Hidden Treasures mini helmet and the TriStar Hidden Treasures jersey, all for football. I appreciate you all joining the break. Really means a lot. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next break. Bye.